Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype issues. So now to find a solution about Skype issues, you should just go to settings. After that we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will enter to the window of Skype. We click here. Then in this page of app info we click on force stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors or issues on your app. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You will find the Skype and you can click uninstall, then you can install again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.